In this question from the chapter linear equation, it says a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for day thereafter. So we know that there is a fixed charge, and that fixed charge is not for a day, that is for first 3 days it is fixed. And Mona, she paid 21 rupees for a book that she kept for 7 days. So she paid 27 for the book she kept for 7 days, and Tanvi paid 21 rupees for the books she kept for 5 days. We need to find the fixed charge and the extra charge per day. 21 rupees for 5 days. So you can see I've already written the first two statements where the charges for first 3 days I've taken as X and the extra charge per day or additional charge per day is Y. Now, for the first part, what we can see that the first case one, we can see that the amount that she will pay, how will be calculated? First, she will pay the fixed charge for first 3 days. Now, since he is keeping the book for 7 days, but rupees X, which is paid for the first 3 days, right? So she has to pay additional charge for 4 days and not for 7 days, right? Although she is keeping the book for 7 days, but she has paid the fixed charge that is X rupees for the first 3 days. That means she has to pay for 4 days. The additional charge has to be paid for the remaining 4 days. So we'll say that it is 4 times Y is equal to 27. So once again, it's very important to understand that mostly you write X plus 7 times Y is equal to 27, not realizing that here the additional charge is not applicable for all days. That is for additional day other than 3 days. So that means if she is keeping the book for 7 days, the additional charge has to be paid for 7 minus 3. That means 4 days. Now, what you can figure out that this is the equation 1, if I mark it. In the next case, that is for Tanvi, she is keeping the book for 5 days. So fixed charge will remain be applicable with her as X. But as you know that she is keeping for 5 days, but the fixed charge is for 3 days. So she has to pay for additional charge for 2 days. So that is 2 times Y is equal to she is paying 21 rupees. So we got these two equations. Now we can solve this by elimination method. So for that, we know for eliminating, we can clearly see that we have the same coefficient of X. So we'll be subtracting the second equation from first. So here X get cancelled. 4Y minus 2Y is 2Y. 27 minus 21 is 6. That means Y is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now we got the value of Y here. Now in order to get X, I'm placing the value of Y as 3 in the first equation. So this is X plus 4 times Y. And how much is Y? Y we calculated as 3 here. So 4 times 3 is equal to 27. So this is X plus 12, right? 4 into 3 is 12 is equal to 27. So X is equal to 27 minus 12. So X is equal to 15. So we can say that for the final statement, that is the fixed charge will be rupees 15 and the charge per day is rupees 3. So this is what the working of this question.